All right, now before you enter my bedroom unescorted, I need you to understand that this one-time grant of access does not create a permanent easement. Easement. It's a legal right of access. Good grief. What? No, don't put me on hold. Yes, I'm still here. Where am I going? I'm on a train. Now, what you'll be looking for is a small wooden box located between a Hoberman sphere and a sample of quartz flecked with pyrite. Hoberman sphere. It's a collapsible icoside dodecahedron. No, the thing with the time on it is my alarm clock.